use social media platforms to stay in touch with family and friends and share our daily lives. Scammers use social media platforms to reach millions of potential victims. And scammers are very good at using the features of a particular platform to construct realistic scams. For instance, the odds for a successful scam go up if the scammer can appear to be your friend or contact, and if they mimic the normal types of activities that you expect on that particular platform. Tagging friends in pictures or videos is a common activity on Facebook, so scammers use messages with captions like, "Is this you in this picture?" to get you to click a link that actually leads to an infected web page. LinkedIn users are business-oriented, so fake contacts, malicious business apps, and emails that ask you to confirm you know someone are the scammer's favorite types of ploys. Here are some of the more common types of scams you'll find on social media. Profile cloning is one problem you'll find on social media, especially Facebook. You probably have already experienced receiving a friend request from someone who's already your Facebook friend. That's a cloned account, and someone built it to try and access profile information for a scam or identity theft. How does it work? I can create an account with your name, and I can put your profile picture on it. No one checks my identity, and now I have an account that is a clone of your account. Now I can send friend requests to everyone I see as a friend on your account, and the requests will look like they come from you. If your friends accept my friend request, I then have access to all of their posts and profile information. I can then message them and send links that they'll trust, thinking that you sent them. A message or share can look legitimate, but lead to a website that is designed to steal your identity or infect your computer. We all like to see funny, cute videos, so no surprise that scammers have latched on to posting adorable kittens and epic sports fails that contain dangerous links. Games, trivia contests, and quizzes abound on social media. Many of these were created by companies to capture marketing data about you they can then sell to retailers. Cyber crooks like quizzes too. It's amazing what kinds of questions we'll answer when our guard is down and we think we're just playing a game. Chances are the answers you give on any form, game, or quiz that you complete online are being recorded somewhere. So play and have fun, but if the questions reveal personal information that you don't want to share, don't participate. Businesses and working professionals use LinkedIn to grow their networks, but LinkedIn, like Facebook and other social media platforms, has a problem with fake accounts. LinkedIn says that they took action on 21.6 million fake accounts in the first half of 2019 alone. That should give you an idea of the scope of the problem. Fake accounts are used to create connections, which can then be used to collect email addresses, offer fake jobs and income opportunities, and do some basic corporate espionage. If you get an email that says it's from LinkedIn, double check the sender's address. Scammers are known to send emails that appear to be from LinkedIn, but instead contain a message that will send you to a dangerous website. Respond to notifications from the LinkedIn website or app, not from links in emails and text messages unless you verify the URL. Romance scams, also called catfishing, break both the bank and the heart. Scammers use dating sites and social media to find someone they can befriend and begin an online relationship with. Catfishers are good at creating emotional ties. If your romantic connection won't video chat with you or won't visit in person, the next step might be to scam money from you. Social media platforms change a lot over time. Facebook is vastly different than it was 6 years ago when I wrote my first Facebook course here at Oasis Connections. So are Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, vastly different than they were a few years ago. You should review your privacy settings at least annually or anytime you get a notice that privacy options or policies have changed. Make sure you're sharing with appropriate audiences. Social media can be fun and safe, but remember that your friends are not the only ones watching. Stop and think. There are millions of fake accounts on every type of social media. Scammers have learned to mimic legitimate interactions for cybercriminal activity. Use the social media app. Don't click on links in email messages and texts. And remember, anything that you post on social media, you should consider as being both public and permanent.